Welcome to DJ.
My correct people, greet to now. Welcome now once again to DJ MTV.
Yes, so my people, not be smarting. The people will be say they organize show where Bobrisky for win best dressed film. They don't come out like when they apologize. So they say that award so say na fake. Say no be real award. Say they don't use and take make fame, they make name. People for go watch their movie. Hey, my people, not be small apology. This one shock, not be small. If you see the woman they apologize, una go over the verse. Apology get a CB. When I watch this video now, I'm gonna watch and listen to the apology wey these people they make concerning the award wey they take shake Nigeria for how many days. When I watch and make una share with the come.
I beg you, I sold all my properties just to produce this film. The production alone, it's a loss. The post-production, a lot of money, went down, marketing the film, to creating content, to doing a lot, to get influencers on the job. I sold my 2 cars just to produce this film. I sold my land in Nigeria. I sold everything, even gold. I sold all my gold because I wasn't getting, help I needed during that time. And, as a matter of fact, I mean, it was just so it was too much for me to handle, so I had to sell all I had. For months I didn't have a car to even go out. I was taking cab everywhere. Please support me, guys. When it's out from tomorrow, 29th of March, kindly tell your people, your loved ones that at the car you've based of 2 words that is showing in the cinemas nationwide from tomorrow 29th. Instagram, I said so that Bossy Allow is our winner. You understand? And one other person that we've not the team are still, trying to look into. So please, everything was just, nothing was given to anybody at the premiere. It was just us. So please, in the name of God, forgive me, and please go all out there for me. I don't have anybody. I don't have anyone. Please support me. Support me. The name for me. Celebrate. Tell everybody. A lot has gone down. I've been stressing myself just to do a lot on my own. If I didn't do it, who will do it? So please, nothing was given to anybody. Nothing was given to anybody. Everybody that came out that day for the premiere can testify that we've made a good film. I made this film like a long time ago, but I didn't bring it up because I've not, put it the way I wanted it to look like. And now we've done everything possible, to put this film out there. Just for people to see it. In the name of God, I'm begging you guys. I spent close to over over 250 million, just to make this film, and it's a lot of money somebody can use to open it's a big store. This is a store that I've opened. It's a film that is so dead to my heart that single-handedly I made this film without the help of anybody. So if I'm crying, I know why I'm crying, and I'm so sad that I'm hearing this and that, and I'm just here to play with Nigerians. Please, in the name of God, support me. Tell everybody to go out for me. Enjoy. I don't have anything. I'm just.
Hey, my people, not be smart, Hey, not be small apology. Yeah, the apology come with they make me they feel like say the apology not be real. As in waiting they talk, it's still the fake am. Anyway, my people, the update will come from like this video. How na reason, how na see, and make una drop comment too, and make una don't forget to like and share. Una do we see you in our next video. DJ